Okay. Here's what we're looking at. This is the downpipe or the exhaust end on a 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan, and there's where the mesh, the flex mesh, I guess, I don't know what to call it, for the connection for the torque converter is missing. It's all burned out. It's been burning out for a while now. Of course, it's just raw exhaust coming out. And the purpose of the mesh is to allow for torque to happen between the engine and the exhaust pipe. So now we're going to continue underneath here and go to this is the back side of the torque converter, the exhaust pipe, and there's the torque converter itself. And there's upstream from the torque converter. So the new one provided does not have this bracket right here welded alongside it. So obviously that needs to be coming off as well. So that's good to note. So now I've got to make a mark about 5 inches this direction and make a cut about 3. So yeah, good to know. Actually, this pipe doesn't, this little bar doesn't seem to be a hanger at all. It just is probably more support for that. So again, there we are, going further down the throat. Up there. Kind of hard to get in there, but there we go. That's what we're looking at. There's the top of the torque, not torque converter, the top of the catalytic converter. Hope I haven't been calling it torque converter the whole time. Too focused on what's got to get done. So anyway, there we are. And you can see how much movement there is in that pipe. It's just not even connected. So that's what we got to take care of.